Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Alwi bin Ismail. In this video, I will talk about SDG, which is Sustainable Development Goals. There are 17 goals in SDG, but I'll focus on SDG12, which is Responsible Consumption and Production. I choose this SDG because it is closely related to our life. First, let's take a look what we have here in my residential area. The problem that has been identified is that the bin is not organized well, as it is not arranged in a specific row or part of the residential area. Second, there is no separation of waste for each house in the residential area. Thus, all type of waste will be put inside a single bin. This may cause our next problem, which is overflowing rubbish. Lastly, when there is overflow of rubbish, there will be an illegal landfill. According to a Companion of Environment Statistics in 2020, Malaysia produced an average of 30,000 tons of waste every single day. Only 5% of it recycled. This can cause an enormous problem for Malaysia. This problem can be solved in many ways. The 3R of reduce, reuse and recycle describe much on how we should handle our waste. Reduce the amount of waste produced in the first place. Reuse the item as often as possible. And recycle and appropriate man-made materials. However, there is 4R, which is recover, which means turning waste into a valuable resource such as energy. Finally, once all other options has been explored, waste that cannot be recycled are recovered and disposed. Next solution is polluter pays principle. The polluter pays principle is the commonly accepted practice that those who produce pollution should bear the cost of managing it to prevent damage to human health or the environment. For instance, a factory that produces a potentially poisonous substance as a byproduct of its activity is usually held responsible for its safe disposal. For the non-engineering solution, first, avoid purchasing items that are overpacked. Next, reduce the amount of waste created by the household by shopping smartly, such as use a reusable bag instead of plastic bag. And lastly, compost the household green and organic waste. To summarize this video, in order to achieve this goal, we must work together and play our roles in the society. Thank you for watching!